Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 5 class, today we read page number 9, and the first topic mentioned on this page is about invertebrates. Invertebrates are a group of animal kingdom, and animals without backbone are called invertebrates. What are invertebrates? Invertebrates are the group of animal kingdom. Animal without backbone are called invertebrate. The next topic is examples of invertebrates. There are some examples of invertebrate. The first example of invertebrate is sponges. Sponges are underwater invertebrates that have no heads, no arms, or no legs. The next example is coelentrates. Coelentrates are an invertebrates that have hollow bodies and live in the sea. Third example is worms. Worms are an invertebrate that have soft, thin bodies with no legs, and they live in water. Some live on land and some live inside animals, plants, or humans. Next example is echinoderms. Echinoderms are an invertebrate that have spiny skins and hundreds of tiny tubes. Next is arthropods. Arthropods are an invertebrates that have jointed feet. And the last is mollusks. Mollusks is an invertebrate with a soft body and no bones. Sponges are an invertebrates that live in underwater with no heads, arms, or legs. Second is coelentrates. Coelentrates are an invertebrates have hollow bodies and live in the sea. Third is worms. Worms have soft, thin bodies with no legs. Echinoderms is an invertebrate that have spiny skins and hundreds of tiny tubes. Arthropods is an invertebrate that have jointed feet, and mollusk is an invertebrate soft body and no bones. And the next topic is what are vertebrates. Vertebrate is also a group of animal kingdom. Animals with backbone are called vertebrates. What are vertebrates? Vertebrate is also an animal kingdom. Animals with backbone are called vertebrates. Next topic is some examples of vertebrates. Examples of vertebrates are fish. Fish are vertebrates that live in water and breathe through gills. Second is amphibians. An amphibian is a vertebrate that spends part of its life in water and breathe through gills. And the third is reptile. A reptile is a vertebrate that lay eggs on land. And the fourth vertebrate is birds. Birds are the only animals with feathers and breathe through lungs. And the fifth vertebrate is mammals. Mammals is a vertebrate that are covered with fur, hair, or bristles, and they also breathe through lungs. Write some examples of vertebrates. Some examples of vertebrates are fish. Fish live in water, breathe through gills. Amphibians is an invertebrate that also breathe through gills and live in water. And reptile is a vertebrate that lay eggs on land. And birds is a vertebrate that only animals with feathers have wings and they can fly and breathe through lungs. Mammals is also breathe through lungs and covered with fur, hair, or bristles. Now repeat with me. What are invertebrates? Animals without backbone are called invertebrate, and it is an animal kingdom. Some examples of invertebrate are sponges, live in underwater with no bones, head, or arms. Coelentrates have hollow bodies and live in the sea. Worms have soft, thin bodies with no legs. Echinoderms is an invertebrate that covered with hundreds of tiny tubes and have spiny skins. Arthropods is an invertebrate with jointed feet, and mollusk is an invertebrate with a soft body and no bones. What are vertebrates? Vertebrates are the animals with backbone. It is also an animal kingdom. Some examples of vertebrates are fish, live in water and breathe through gills. Amphibians is also live in water and breathe through gills. Reptiles lay eggs on land. Birds covered with breathe through lungs and covered with feathers have wings and they can fly. Mammals head covered with fur, bristles and breathe through lungs.